Mike Westfall here at McDonald Garden Center. I'm standing here in our checkout area at our Independence location because I have something really interesting I want to show you. This is our observation hive. So this has a ton of honeybees in it. This one is only about 2 to 3 pounds, so we brought it indoors because it probably wouldn't have made it through the winter in its natural, outdoor in a normal hive. Most hives are 5 to 8 pounds. This one's only about 2 to 3 pounds. So we brought it in here so that if we get a really cold night, it can stay nice and warm in here. You're gonna see all the bees are huddled up here together. They're staying nice and warm through those cold times, those cold nights and those cold days that we might have. But on a warm day, if you come in here and check them out, they're gonna be running through this tube that goes outside, out to our sales yard where they're gonna collect tons of pollen to come in and make their nectar and feed the colony. Right now, after the winter solstice, the queen bee will lay a ton of eggs to get ready for the spring season. So in spring, everything's blooming. The maple trees started off, and then all the cherry trees, and that's when the bees get really, really active, and they're going to go out there and collect a ton of pollen and do a lot of cross-pollination and that kind of stuff. So if you've got fruit trees, really great way to cross-pollinate your fruit trees. But they're going to go out and collect a lot of pollen to bring back to have enough food source to get through that busy springtime frame. So there's a lot of cool things here. This is a great way to come and observe all the activity, really educational. We also have a couple little fun products to go along with it. This is a beeswax candle that's actually made by one of our employees that's really into beekeeping that has helped support us with this observation beehive. Then also we have this new product from Jones. So Jones is a beekeeper, and this is Jones a keeper. And this is a lot of cool products. We've got lip balm to lotions and lots of other different fragrances. So this is a really cool thing here as well. And then also we've got these garden plants for honeybees. So if you're maybe not interested in having a hive out back in your backyard, you might want to help the local honeybee population. And by doing that, you need to have pollinating plants or pollen plants. And so this is a great list, a great resource, a great read to help encourage those bees to come into your yard. So if you want to support them, then there's some great list of plants here to help support those local honeybees. Also, if you're not interested in doing a hive in your backyard, then we do have this really cool line of bee houses for solitary bees. So solitary bees are non-aggressive bees. Most of them are going to be mason bees or leafcutter bees. But what's really cool about this one just came in. We're going to get a lot of these throughout the year. We got butterfly houses and bee houses coming in every week almost. But this is from Wildlife World, really cool company. And what I love about this one is it's very educational. So this is a cool one because you can actually take these layers apart. There's a bolt down here, you unhook that, and then throughout the season you can check in on them and see how they're doing. So you can see all the different life cycles and all the different stages that the bees are going through. So a great way to pollinate your yard or your garden. If you're doing vegetable gardening, this is a must for your yard. Really easy to do. You just put it out pretty soon. You want to get it out there this spring so that they can find it and make their nest inside. Really cool line here. We've also got some butterfly houses. So this is a butterfly house, and we've got a little feeding station for butterflies. So what a neat line. We've got a great selection. We're going to continue with this all season long. You're going to hear a lot about all the different pollinators. We're going to do butterflies and bees all season long. So come in and check us out here at McDonald Garden Center.